In the book of Sirach, in the first reading, we are all told to conduct our affairs with humility. You will be loved by God and by neighbor when you are humble. Palagay ko, totoo naman yun eh. Di ba, iniiwasan natin yung hambog. Iniiwasan natin yung mayabang. Iniiwasan natin yung wala nang pinag-uusapan kundi ang kanyang sarili, ang kanyang achievements, na alam sa puso natin, alam natin, hindi iyan ang gusto ng Diyos. And it's already in the book of Sirach. Humble yourself. The more the world considers you great, the more you should humble yourself. Kapag ikaw ay tinuturing ng mundo na dakila, ikaw na ang magbaba sa sarili mo. And the more you humble yourselves, the more you will find grace in God, who is the greatest of all. Pag hindi tayo nag-ingat, baka akala natin, nahihigitan pa natin ang Diyos. At mas gusto natin, tayo ang maalaala kaysa ang Diyos. Let us not promote ourselves. Do your best humbly, and let God do great things through you.